Okay, here's the driveway and the imperfections of the driveway. Alright. Secaflex can take care of a lot of that there. Over here is where the driveway was poured hard. The mortar mix was no extra water was added. To the right is where this water was added, and now you see you get this huge, beautiful gap, and it's separated. You can see where it was tight to the form over there at one point, and a stone even rolled over. Now it's edging. It's edging. So, it's got to be addressed. It's just this section here. Just this section right there. It's got to be addressed with some Secaflex. The rest of it's pretty decent. Pretty decent. No cracks. He watered it too much ahead of time. He was told not to water, and he put a sprinkler on it. The neighbors did, and you could see the sprinkler divots. And there was a sprinkler over there. That was nice of them to just not care and work together. That happens. Over here you can see the different color tone. Same company, different truck. Same truck. Same truck. Now just looking at shadows, shades. There's the radius. Pain in the ass radius. Okay. So, not happy with quite a few things here. Not happy with quite a few things here. Concrete's still sound. I'm just looking at it. It's pretty sound. But, the edging, not done. Look at it. It's not done. This is all magged, but no edging was done over here. Huh. Really? Actually, something else is going on here. This is, it's kind of got grooves in it. Something else is going on here. I'm going to talk to him. Give me a minute. Okay, resuming the video. So, going crazy trying to figure out what's going on here. Talked to the owner. He said that yes, the sprinkler systems went on. It got onto the property. The brooms were here, so then he used the brooms to do what he said was touch-ups, and that's why we see these broom marks. Okay, and different divots and things like that. All right. So I said, "Did you go out there on the boards by chance that were left?" And he said, "What do you mean?" I said, "Well, I see where the board imprints are right here and here." He said, "Oh, yes, to get to the middle." Well, look, it was already set, and now it's an impression left. So I guess the homeowner thought that concrete work was easy, and now this explains why this is a mess down here. It was driving me crazy. So the sprinkler system came on. He thought it was easy to do, and after observing it, and attempted to do whatever he did. It's interesting, because the quality is, whatever it may be. Look at the grooves. Grooves created. This is interesting. So there's the really rough, that's from the sprinkler system that came onto the right. Obviously, they manually put on. It's not buried in the ground. There's no sprinkler system buried in the ground, but the sprinkler system was brought out. And I did see that sprinkler system myself. I asked them not to put it on. Obviously, that didn't work. It's interesting. Very interesting indeed. Now we're tight here and tight there on the apron. Still needs his cuts. All right, this is still salvageable. Secaflex. Here, cutting along the edge there, Secaflexing. all of this here, Sikaflex. It's pretty tight. I didn't like the white product myself. Not my choice. Sikaflex on each side of it would be nice. And see how yeah, that can come right off. That's nothing. That's just paste on the top, I guess, from when he did his work, because this was all white. When it was left, it was all white. And then I guess after he used his broom technique, his brooming and whatever he did, he then changed the details. This is it's very interesting, like I said, very interesting. Look at this, multiple directions or scratch marks or whatever the hell's going on here. I am so done. Hope you guys enjoy this concrete. Not really a failure, but it's because the homeowner played around. So it's not a failure, it's the homeowner attempting to have a good time, I guess. It's interesting. Let's just call it that.